Thinking about switching to an IT career but coming from a non-IT background? Here's how you can make the jump fast and smart. Hi everyone, welcome to Wynxio IT Training, where we simplify tech trainings for you around the world. The good news is you don't have to be a coding wizard. Start with beginner-friendly IT roles like business analyst, IT support, UI/UX designer, data analyst, or QA tester. Use free platforms like freeCodeCamp, Coursera, and YouTube to learn. You can also try certifications like Google IT Support or AWS Cloud Practitioner. They add credibility and show recruiters you're serious. Remember, your current skills are gold. If you worked in finance, look at FinTech. If you're from teaching, explore EdTech. Combine your domain knowledge with new IT skills. That's a powerful combination. Create 2 to 3 mini projects, maybe a website, a dashboard, or even a case study, and post them on GitHub or LinkedIn. This shows recruiters that you can actually do the work. Network. Join LinkedIn groups, attend webinars, and connect with people in your target role. Apply for internships, freelance gigs, or entry-level jobs to get that first experience. Plenty of people have made the switch, and so can you. Start with one skill, practice daily, and stay consistent. So, which step are you planning to take first? Do you feel ready to start your IT journey? Like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more future ready IT content, and we'll see you in the next one.